When it comes to geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon Sector 44, SCON Design is a trusted name in the industry. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled engineers, SCON Design provides comprehensive geotechnical investigation services to clients in Gurgaon and beyond. Our services are tailored to meet the specific needs of each project, ensuring accurate and reliable results. This information is vital for designing the foundation of structures, determining the suitability of the soil for construction, and managing potential risks such as soil instability or slope failure. SCON Design understands the importance of geotechnical investigation and employs state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to gather data efficiently and effectively. With our geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon Sector 44, clients can expect a thorough analysis of the site's soil and rock properties. Our team conducts a range of tests, including soil sampling, laboratory testing, and in-situ testing, to gather data on factors such as soil composition, strength, permeability, and compactness. This information forms the basis for making informed decisions during the design and construction phases of a project. At SCON Design, we are committed to delivering high-quality geotechnical investigation services that meet the highest industry standards. Our team of experts is well-versed in interpreting test results and providing detailed reports that highlight the key findings and recommendations for the project. We understand that time is of the essence in the construction industry, and we strive to deliver our reports promptly, enabling clients to make timely decisions. Choosing SCON Design for geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon Sector 44 ensures that your project benefits from our expertise and commitment to excellence. SCON Design is a reputable brand in the business for geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon Sector 44. SCON Design offers clients in Gurgaon and beyond full geotechnical investigation services based on years of experience and a team of highly qualified engineers. Our services are customized to match the unique requirements of each project, guaranteeing precise and trustworthy outcomes. Any building project must include a geotechnical assessment to evaluate the site's soil and rock conditions. The design of a structure's foundation, identifying whether the soil is suitable for development, and controlling potential risks like soil instability or slope failure all depend on this information. SCON Design makes use of cutting-edge tools and procedures to swiftly and effectively collect data, since it recognizes the significance of geotechnical investigation. Our Gurgaon Sector 44 geotechnical investigation services include a comprehensive analysis of the soil and rock parameters of the site. To acquire information on elements like soil composition, strength,